Go floop. I can go floop, Mom.
I'll do it.
Go floop, baby girl. Floop.
And she's
floop.
gonna do it. Is she gonna? Yay!
Yay! Yay! Big girl. Yay! You're a big girl.
Ella Bree.
Can you go floop back?
Can you come back?
Floop. Of course you can. Floop. Oh, the bib. For crying out loud, I never even thought of that. Okay. Floop. Go floop. Floop back on your belly. It's better when you sleep.
Come here, baby. Come here, Ella. Ella, roll over. Let's see you. Where are you? Where's Ella? Can she do it? Can she do it like a big girl? Come on. Come on, big girl. She is eating her own feet. Yes. Yum, yum, yum.
Flip over,
Yum,
girl.
yum, yum. She's found her voice. Woohoo!
Did I get on this side? Sorry.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetie. Let's see you do it. Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Is that yummy foot? Is it yummy? Those toes yummy? Mm-hmm. And there she did it. Yay! What a big girl.
You are so good.
Yay! Ella!
It only took a little while.
Ella!
Good girl. Yay!
Big girl, yay!